So continuing with drive system for robotics in the fifth module contents. So I'll be discussing about what's a solenoid and how the drive system is extended to the solenoid. So a solenoid is an electromagnetic actuator that converts electrical energy into linear mechanical motion. It consists of a coil of wire wound around a movable iron core. A solenoid mainly consists of coil, plungers, springs, flame or housing. So the working principle: when an electric current flows through the coil, it produces a magnetic field. The magnetic field pulls the iron plunger into the coil. This movement produces linear mechanical motion. When the current is switched off, the spring pushes the plunger back to its original position. This is a very simple mechanism. Actuator quality. So in the solenoids, there are pull type solenoid, push type solenoid, and rotary solenoid. So the plunger is pulled into the coil. In the pull type solenoid, in the push type solenoid, the plunger pushes outside when the plunger is energized. If it's a rotary solenoid, converts electrical energy into rotary motion. Advantages is it is very simple in construction, fast operation, it is overall reliable and easy to control. So disadvantages is that it has got limited stroke length, heat generation during continuous operation, limited force compared to other actuators. Applications are solenoids are commonly used in the electric door locks, relays and switches, automobile starter systems, solenoid valves in pneumatic and hydraulic systems, industrial automation equipments. Like this, different type of applications are extended by using a different type of solenoids. So when it is extended to DC motor, it is the direct current motor. In this, electrical machines converts direct current electrical energy into mechanical rotating energy. So it is widely used in the DC motor. The DC motors are widely used in where it has got speed control and high starting torques are required. So the main parts of the DC motor, it has got a stator, rotor, commutator, brushes, and the shaft for transferring the mechanical power. The stator, it is meant to generate the magnetic field. The rotor, it is the rotating part where the current flows. By using commutator, we will be able to convert AC in the armature to the DC output, and it will be maintaining a unidirectional torque. So brushes are going to supply current to the rotating armature. So like this, the shaft at last it is going to transfer the mechanical power to the load. So the working principle is a DC motor works on Lorentz force principle. When a current conductor is placed in the magnetic field, it experiences a force. This forces the armature to rotate, producing mechanical motion. So we can go with the consideration of the drive system. So in the various type of motors, it is DC motor, it may be series or shunt type. If it is a compound or permanent magnet DC motors, that is PMDC motors are used. So the DC motor's advantage is its speed can be easily controlled. It has got high starting torque. It has got simple operation, good for variable and speed applications. Its disadvantages is requires regular maintenance. Brushes and commuters wear out. Not suitable for very high power applications. So the applications where DC motors are used in electric vehicles, robotics, conveyor systems, cranes and hoist, machine tools and portable device. So further, if you go with AC motor, in the AC motor, it will be having a stator, rotor, air gap and the shaft. The stator, it contains windings that produce a rotating magnetic field. If it is a rotor, the rotating part is inside the stator and rotates due to the magnetic field. So there will be a small air space between the stator and the rotor. So the shaft transfers mechanical power to the load. So the working principle, it is when the AC supply is given to the stator windings, a rotating magnetic field is produced. This magnetic field induces current in the rotor. The interaction between the rotor current and the magnetic field produces torque, causing the rotor to rotate. So like this, the AC motor it is going to work.